was first drawn into hip-hop cause of a thirst for knowledge. Hip-hop taught me some stuff that I could never learn in college. I learned from Big Pun, Biggie Smalls and Big L. I also learned from Nasir Jones, it ain't not to turn. I learned from Tupac, this world can drive you crazy. Beyond reasonable doubt, I learned to hold on from Jay-Z. You can bustle to keep me muzzled with your scuffle and tussle. Strong army with all your muscle, but still cannot the hustle. In my lifelong quest to go against all odds, Common told me to find good to happen in myself and God. When we needed a sense of pride, wondering who we are, most definitely reassured us, you are the black star. As we grew older, giving each other the cold shoulder. Biggie asked us, what happened to the love soldier? I thought I'd keep learning from hip-hop, but I was mistaken and thought that the principles of true hip-hop had been forsaken. What's to learn from all the junk and the crunk, apart from promiscuity and getting foolishly drunk? Braggadocio swang of BS is now the new theme. What happened to the good old days of knowledge reign supreme? Now all I hear is hey, 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 hey. You can't might have found the fame but sound the same. And for me, you ain't never getting no pounds you lay. And I can't pretend cause I really hate this ish. Hip-hop is my love, he soured the relationship. When I said hip-hop is dead, he meant it's gone pop. Cause unfortunately the mainstream is the face of hip-hop. Now this mainstream garbage is destroying the art. No one cares about the racism if you're topping the charts. They're either chanting or like Little John they yelling. Nigga please, I ain't buying what these cats are selling. There was a time when rapping was about lyrical wit. Nowadays any retard can just get on the mic and spit. Half these cats rapping these days are just unbearable. We don't grimace cause you're nice, we grimace cause you're terrible. And you bring shame and embarrassment to the art form. As a hip-hop purist, man, I'm truly hard-torn. Yeah, I'm truly hard-torn. Yeah, yo, I'm truly hard-torn. And that's for the record. Eezy and Mankind. Yes now.
The